This Crockpot smoked ham has pineapple glaze. It's juicy, it's sweet, and it's a little tangy. The pineapple rings melt right into the meat, and the glaze settles at the bottom so you can pour it over every slice. Let me show you how simple this is. The ingredients include a smoked ham, pineapple slices, yellow mustard, brown sugar. You'll drain 1 can of pineapple slices and save the juice. In a bowl, whisk 1 cup of brown sugar with 1/4 cup of yellow mustard into the pineapple juice. Place the ham into the crock pot and pour that glaze over the ham. Then lay the pineapple rings on top. If a few of the pineapple rings slide down the sides, that's fine. And if you want a thicker glaze, just use less pineapple juice. You can always thin it a little later with a splash from the pot. You'll cover it and cook it on high for about 4 hours until the ham reaches the temperature that is suggested on the package. Every crock pot runs a little different, so check towards the end. About an hour before it's done, spoon the glaze over the top, and that keeps it a little shiny and flavorful. Lift the ham out and let it rest for a few minutes. Then slice and spoon that pineapple glaze over the top and serve. It's sweet, it's smoky, and it's tender all the way through. That's an easy holiday ham any night of the week. Leftovers make great sandwiches and breakfast biscuits. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, Carolina born with farm roots. Taught to cook by the women before me, and now I'm coastal in South Carolina. Still keeping it southern. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat.